Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we dive into two exciting phenomena: the rise of AI technologies and the world of side hustles. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been rapidly advancing over the past few years. From autonomous vehicles to voice assistants and personalized recommendations, AI is transforming every industry, creating a plethora of opportunities for those ready to jump in. Now, you might ask, what exactly does side hustle mean? Well, a side hustle is any type of employment undertaken in addition to one's full-time job. It's a way to earn extra cash outside of your regular income. And in today's gig economy, side hustles have become increasingly popular as they offer financial stability, flexibility, and the chance to pursue what you're genuinely passionate about. The beauty of the AI field is that it's not just for tech giants or those with deep pockets. Today, anyone with an interest in AI can start a side hustle without breaking the bank. That's right, we're talking about side hustles that require zero initial investment. Perhaps you're a student looking to make some extra cash. Maybe you're a professional wanting to expand your skills and knowledge. Or perhaps you're a retiree keen on staying engaged with the fast-paced world of technology. Regardless of your background, the AI revolution offers an open playing field for everyone. So if you're intrigued by the possibilities AI presents and you're eager to make some extra cash, you're in the right place. We're about to delve into the best AI side hustles that you can start with $0 in 2024. From freelancing in AI to AI content creation, from data annotation to AI tutoring, and much more, we've got a lot to cover. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the world of AI side hustles. And who knows, you might just stumble upon the perfect side hustle that aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. So if you're interested in AI and want to make some extra cash, stick around as we explore some of the best AI side hustles you can start with $0 in 2024. Firstly, let's tackle the realm of AI freelancing. Freelancing is all about leveraging your skills and knowledge to provide services to clients, and AI is no exception. There's a growing demand for AI services, and that's where you come in. Online platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have become hotbeds for AI freelancing. These platforms connect you with clients looking for your specific expertise. Whether you're a wizard at data labeling, a natural at natural language processing, or a master of training machine learning models, there's a client out there who needs your skills. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of AI tasks are suitable for freelancing? Well, the answer is quite a few. For starters, data labeling is a fundamental task in AI that involves categorizing and tagging data, which is essential for training AI models. Then there's model training, where you'll be working with algorithms and data to create and refine AI models. If you're more into linguistics, natural language processing tasks like sentiment analysis or text classification could be your jam. But how do I get started, you might ask? That's a great question, and the answer is simpler than you might think. Firstly, you need to hone your skills. There are plenty of free resources online to get you started, from tutorials to full-blown courses. Once you have a firm grasp on your chosen AI task, it's time to join a freelancing platform. Create a compelling profile that highlights your skills and past projects. Don't have any past projects? No problem. Consider doing a few personal projects or volunteering your skills to build up your portfolio. Remember, freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. It might take some time to land your first client, but don't get discouraged. Keep improving your skills, refining your proposals, and reaching out to potential clients. With the right skills and a bit of dedication, AI freelancing can be a profitable side hustle. Next, we have AI content creation. Imagine having an assistant that can generate articles, videos, or social media posts for you. Well, with AI, this is no longer a distant dream, but a present reality. There are numerous AI tools out there designed specifically for content creation. Platforms like Jarvis and Copy.ai offer these services for free or with a freemium model. You can leverage these tools to create content faster and more efficiently than ever before. And the best part? You don't need to be a seasoned writer or a social media guru to get started. Whether it's blogging, script writing, or crafting the perfect tweet, AI can lend you a helping hand. And as you produce more high-quality content, you increase your chances of attracting a larger audience. This, in turn, can open doors to multiple income streams like advertising revenue, sponsored posts, or even your own digital products. With AI content creation, you can produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Let's move on to data annotation and labeling. Now, this might sound technical, but it's actually quite straightforward. In the realm of artificial intelligence, high-quality labeled data is like gold. It's the information that AI systems use to learn and improve. It's like a teacher providing a student with correct answers so they can learn from them. The more accurate the data, the better the AI performs. There are several platforms out there, such as Amazon Mechanical Turk or Appen, that offer data annotation and labeling tasks. These platforms allow you to contribute to the training of AI systems by labeling images, categorizing data, or even transcribing audio, all while earning some cash on the side. And the best part? You can start this side hustle without any upfront costs. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a keen eye for detail. So why not give it a try? Data annotation and labeling is a great way to get your foot in the AI industry. AI education and tutoring is another field ripe with opportunities. As artificial intelligence continues to reshape our world, more and more people are seeking to understand this transformative technology. From students and professionals aiming to upskill, to organizations looking to leverage AI, the demand for AI education is stronger than ever. There are several platforms where you can offer your AI expertise. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell your own online courses. If you have a knack for explaining complex concepts in simple, engaging ways, this could be a perfect fit. Alternatively, if one-on-one instruction is more your speed, consider offering AI tutoring services. Websites like Wisent and Tutor.com connect tutors with students, and you can set your own rates. But how do you market these services without spending a dime on advertising? The answer lies in leveraging your existing networks and creating valuable content. Start by sharing your tutoring services or courses on your social media platforms. Engage in online communities, forums, and groups related to AI. Answer questions, provide insights, and become a go-to resource. This not only helps establish your credibility, but also draws attention to your services. Another effective strategy is content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, or podcasts about AI topics you're passionate about. This not only showcases your knowledge, but also attracts potential students. By providing value up front, you build trust with your audience, making them more likely to invest in your courses or tutoring services. Remember, in the realm of AI education, your knowledge is your product. The more you know, the more you can offer. So continue learning, stay updated with the latest AI trends, and share your insights. This will not only enhance your reputation as an AI expert, but also increase the demand for your services. Educating others about AI can be a rewarding and profitable side hustle. With zero upfront investment, you can leverage your AI knowledge to not only earn extra income, but also contribute to the broader understanding of this exciting technology. So there you have it, exciting AI side hustles you can start without any investment. We've traversed the vast landscape of opportunities that AI offers. From freelancing in AI, where you can offer services such as data labeling, model training, and natural language processing, to AI content creation, leveraging AI tools to create engaging articles, videos, or social media posts. We also delved into the world of data annotation and labeling, a critical component in AI development, offering plenty of opportunities for those willing to dive in. And let's not forget the burgeoning field of AI education and tutoring, where your knowledge can help shape the minds of tomorrow's AI experts. We even touched on the fascinating realm of AI research and development, where you can contribute to cutting-edge projects and challenges, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. And finally, we explored the myriad ways you can monetize your AI projects, from selling AI-generated products or services to scaling up your side hustle for long-term profitability. Each of these avenues presents a unique opportunity to dive into the world of AI, flex your entrepreneurial muscles, and create something truly impactful. And the best part, you can get started right now with zero initial investment. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take that first step. Explore these opportunities, dive deep into the one that resonates with you the most. Start learning, start doing, start creating. Your AI side hustle awaits. Remember, the future belongs to those who learn more skills and combine them in creative ways. So get out there and start your AI side hustle today. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on AI and entrepreneurship. Until next time.